G'day guys, REA Taz here. This is Doug, and today it should be a pretty easy install, and I'm going to put the Tripmachine leather grips on the bike. So this is a wrap that goes around your standard plastic grips to give it yet again a more period look. So in the box, which is really cool packaging actually, you get a thank you from the CEO, pretty cool sticker, some guff on how to protect them, and that it's a handmade Indian genuine leather product. You also get some super glue, and that's to hold the end of the grip down, or the grip tape down. In itself, these are pretty simple. It's just a strip of leather with some 3M tape and a narrow end, and the narrow end goes there, and you just continue to wind around till you get to the end of the grip, and then you cut it off. So it's just basically like sort of tape that you used to put on your road cycle bars or tennis or badminton racket. It's just grip tape, but it's cool and it's leather and it's going to look great. Same with this side. So that's the install there, guys. It looks pretty awesome. There we go again. Keep pulling the leather wrap tape fairly tight as you make your way around, and you want to run the tape around the plastic so it gets a real good purchase. So you want to run that tape there. Cut there, and put a liberal amount of super glue on the leather and the tape. Push that down, and again that is the install. So that's the installed Tripmachine leather grip tape there, guys. I think it looks absolutely awesome. The super glue works a treat to seal up that end. As a modification, just take into account if you're going to leave your bike out in all weather, this potentially isn't going to work for you. I put Doug in a garage, and so he gets protected. This will stay on the bike, it won't delaminate and roll off. It's not going to weather and rot. Also, if you've got wet gloves or you ride the bike in the rain, you're going to need to give this time to dry. Again, otherwise it's potentially going to delaminate or sort of rot on you. It will patina over time, and I look forward to that. If you're pedantic about preventing patina, you might want to clean your gloves so that you're not putting oil on them, but I think it's going to look even better with a bit of patina. The cheap modification looks fantastic. I love the embossed logo. It was very simple install. Seems pretty high quality, seems like it's on there pretty tight, and it will sort of settle down over time as you ride and grab the bars. Because as always, I buy these products myself, so no one sent this to me to test, so I can give an objective opinion, and I really like this. I give it a thumbs up for sure. So that's the install there, guys. Till I see you next time, my name's REA. I'm out.